Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to use your One4All gift card in 2025. If you're holding onto one of these versatile cards for shopping, dining, or entertainment, you're in the right place. One4All cards are accepted at thousands of retailers, making them a fantastic gift option. In this video, I'll break down the steps in a simple, straightforward way so you can start using yours hassle-free. First off, before you hit the stores, check your card's balance. Head over to the One4All website or download their app. It's super user-friendly. Just enter your card number and the PIN usually found on the back, and you'll see exactly how much you have to spend. This step helps avoid any surprises at checkout. Next, if your card needs activation, don't skip this. Log into your One4All account online. It only takes a minute, and it's crucial for ensuring your card works properly. In 2025, the process might include extra security features, so follow the prompts carefully. Now, let's talk about using it in store. When you're ready to shop, simply present your card at the register like you would with a credit card. The cashier will scan or swipe it, and the purchase amount will be deducted from your balance automatically. Easy peasy. For online shopping, visit a retailer that accepts One4All cards. Most major ones do. At checkout, select the gift card option, enter your card details, and confirm the payment. It's a seamless way to shop from home, and in 2025, you might even see more integrated options for digital wallets. A few tips to keep in mind. Always check for expiration dates or any potential fees on the One4All site, as policies can update yearly. If you run into issues, like a declined transaction, reach out to One4All customer support. They're there to help resolve things quickly. And that's it. You've got all the tools to make the most of your One4All gift card in 2025. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more handy guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.